In mates, how's life behind bars? Not these bars, but these bars. Today, actually not just today, also yesterday, this bike's been in. It's had a lot of work. Let's start the list. I'm probably going to need some help from Tom. Yesterday, we fitted an Akrapovic decatted titanium header unit, also with an Akrapovic End Can, and then we put the BHP UK Flasher on there and remapped it all. So that is working sound, no dash errors, all working great. Then on to today, we then fitted D7 Pros, SW Motech upper crash bars, rear visors, Touratech side stand extender. What else, Tom?
Gilles Risers.
Gilles Risers, a rear B6, obviously also a Hex Easy Can running the whole thing, and also an Innovv K7. Have I missed anything off?
No.
No, but look at it. It's a beautiful, beautiful example. It's probably the best R1300GSA that I've seen. And I know people are going to ask down below, where is that graphics kit from? Obviously, this is not an M bike because they don't make an M version, but the graphics on it they look phenomenal. But they are from Dab Rabbit's graphics, which are based in South Korea. But yeah, really nice looking bike. So just remember, everything that we show you on this bike, we stock here and we sell. Please do not miss out on our bike thing bundles. Just put in your bike, so in this example, R1300GSA, and then select the bike thing bundles. Go down and scroll through the different options. This customer picked the D7 Pro bundle, and then we configured it exactly how he wanted. So he's got the split sound bomb on there as well, which I forgot to mention. You can either book your bike in here and have us do the installation for you, or we can just mail order it off to you. We've got loads and loads of shipments leaving here every day, all around the world. Hopefully the rain has eased off outside and we're going to get this outside and show you some footage of it out there in natural daylight.